Tanner?
What?
So obviously our top is a blue. We just have to do a white boot stripe along the bottom there. And yeah, you can guess what color the bottom's gonna be if you want, but I'll give you a clue. America.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
We're taking off the name. What do you think about that, Carly?
It's cool. It's fun too.
Is that satisfying?
Mm-hmm. And I like the sound. It's weird.
Is that the last piece, Carly?
Yeah.
What a good Carly working on the boat.
I like working on a daughter boat. It's fun.
Are you excited to go sailing?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we took the rudder off last night.
Should have just left it.
No.
I keep telling her every time we do more projects, like we could do that, but then we might find damage that we have to repair. If we leave it, then we don't gotta repair it.
Anyways, we're fixing the rudder, so I'll show you on the bottom.
I keep dropping the damn sponge in the dirt.
I know I do too. So you'll see that all this is deteriorating, and so my wonderful hubby with his bigger honey to-do list, his boat to-do list. He's just cleaning this out and wire brushing it out of here so we can
Here's the problem.
rebuild it.
Rudder like this, a rudder problem like this. So to cut into this is one big bar that's got different pieces of like flat bar welded to it going out. That's all laminated, right? But then you can't really cut in and do this repair. You could, but essentially by the time you cut in here and find it, you're just rebuilding it. So you're just scrapping anything that this is essentially worth at this moment right now. If we can do a repair that's legitimate enough to be able to get a lot more use out of the way this is, to whereas it starts to actually delaminate or corrode in there, then we'll be splitting it apart to rebuild it anyway. So I don't want to dig more into it to start to have to cut out decent rudder. It's still usable.
So what's your plan?
It's really
of attack?
solid. So I'm cleaning out. I'm trying to get in there as much as I can, a lot more than I have even so far. And I want to use this steel reinforced epoxy that I have and kind of fair out all this gunk with good glass and good steel so that it's nice, because it's actually below where the bracket holds. But the problem is if I build up this too much, because this rudder rests on here, there's a big thing that clamps on here and bolts onto the skag hung part of the boat, and this is slowly wearing it down because it doesn't actually have a thing that hangs on up here. It does clamp on, but it's just like a stuffing box, so it doesn't really hold it. It won't really fall out, but it doesn't hold the weight this does. And this is down a good 3/32, almost 1/8 of an inch, which isn't too much. So I'm just gonna glass it nice and hard, get it nice and cleaned up. But I gotta make sure that whatever I do on this side, there's still plenty of space for that brass clamshell bracket keeper, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Let's see if we can get into this thing anymore though. I don't know. I'm gonna put some Dremel. Or talk to the people on YouTube on.
Hey, man! I am just trying to make this straight on the rudder because it is hot.
Did you clean out where that nasty hole was on the bottom?
A denatured alcohol, is that what you mean?
Yeah, as good as any.
I feel like that looks pretty good. What do you think?
It does. I just wanted to warn you, and I think it's got plenty of clearance, but right here, yeah,
I figured better to have more and it'd be easier to grind off and not have it in. Or is that wrong?
That rides on the bottom. Yeah, it's fine. Oh no, you don't want to do more.
It has a bump. It needs to be.
But now I have to sand that before we bear it.
It's pretty much the same. It just was missing a glob right here.
No, it's missing a bigger glob. That Toyota really could break him free.
Yeah, it was. Good for him. I thought I was recording us getting that in, and I didn't.
Not gonna redo it.
We're not redoing it.
Not redoing it.
Not doing that. But we beast moded it.
Oh,
Mainly
baby,
he did,
how are we
though.
gonna get bottom pin on the top of the rudder?
That's what I said. Are we doing it again then? Nope. It'll be fun.
So these three go through the boat, right dish, and then there's another one that just bites the other brass.
So we're putting in 5,200 into the holes so that we can put this baby on, and the rudder will be complete. Besides painting, obviously. So obviously our top is a blue. We just have to do a white boot stripe along the bottom there. And yeah, you can guess what color the bottom's gonna be if you want, but I'll give you a clue. America.
Baby, how's it going down there?
Very good. I'm glad we have wind today, because otherwise this would be hot. Anything like yesterday.
You feel wind?
Yeah.
I was just thinking, damn, I wish we had some wind. It was literally, that's what I was thinking, going through my head. So yesterday was nicer because I had some wind. So it sucks because there's no wind. Little did I know. You're over here digging it because of all this fucking wind.
Alright you guys, it's official. We're done. Ha ha! Now I gotta do my favorite part. I love taking off the tape, which most people do. Who doesn't? That's when it's official. And you get to see the beautiful line. Oh, baby. That's amazing. So satisfying. Because that means we done. The only thing we have to do is do our boot stripe. And that's all, folks. Tanner?
What?
We missed a little spot now that I'm looking around here. Alright you guys, so we took a break from all the hard work that Tanner's been doing, and we're gonna catch some fish.
Brand new dinghy anchor. One of the best on the market.
If you don't have one, you should definitely get one.
Definitely invest in one of these guys.
We're gonna be fishing with some live shrimp today. Woo! What do we got? Aw, that is a little yellowtail.
Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La la
Look at that perfect hook.
That was good.
Look at those teeth.
2 buck teeth. He's eating
He doesn't
that
need to
shrimp.
eat for a couple days probably.
Yeah, he's good to go. Look at him eating
Alright,
it.
so we're moving on. I don't want to waste the day, and all we're catching is these guys. It's either a mangrove snapper or a cubera. They got these stripes and they're a little bit longer than they are fatter, less gray. They got a little, almost like a mutton snapper color to them. Used to trick me. I used to think, like, what the fuck are these, little baby muttons?
If you guys like this video, please subscribe and like it so YouTube will share it with others. Bye!